Hello everyone. How are you friends? Now we are here for completing our session on cyber security. So friends, yesterday we see the advantages of cyber security. Now today we focused on safety tips of cyber security. Means how to provide cyber security. It is very important task for the security developer or security provider to provide security from all kinds of virus attacks, worms, malwares attacks, spyware, etc., which may cause serious threats to your system or network. So now we see how to protect our data from data theft. Basically, data theft is a major problem faced by individual users, and cybersecurity prevent data theft by providing different kinds of security like password and so on. So by using proper disposal of sensitive data, we secure our personal information from the data theft. Now we see how to protect our data from hackers. You can use the following measures to get rid of hackers by using tough password. See, there are some rules to set password. That is, use special symbols, use 0 to 9 numbers, use capital letters, small letters, or in short, we combine all these things by creating complex password. Again, after setting password, it is necessary to keep on changing your password at least in every week. Then by clearing your browser history, we can also secure our data, system or network from hackers. Try to avoid Wi-Fi. This is also the most important. Otherwise, again, change the password regularly of your particular Wi-Fi network. Use antivirus protection and so on. How to reduce computers crashes? See guys, as we know very well, once we buy any computer system or build a computer network, we do not take care of that. Once we decide password and then we do lots of work on that and save one file again and again in different format and so on. This cause your system to become a crash. So to reduce your computer system slowdown and freezing, boost the performance of your computer system, automatically recovers from serious errors by updating antivirus regularly, by setting or changing password regularly and so on. Gives privacy to users. It provides more privacy to the users. It allows you to store your data and files anywhere without any fear of cyber attack, because as we see, we provide a complex password, we regularly update the antivirus, we secure or we provide more privacy to our system as well as computer network. Finally, we conclude the safety tips to our cyber crime or cyber security, that is, use antivirus software, insert firewalls, uninstall unnecessary software from your system, maintain backup regularly, check security settings, and most important is that never give your full name or address to strangers, and continuously or regularly learn more about the internet privacy. And once we used all these tips, I am very sure you are very easily secure your computer network and computer system from the hackers, crackers, viruses, worms, data thefts, and so on. So friend, hope all of you enjoying online certification course on cyber security. Again, I suggest one thing, friends, continuous try to read on such a type of topics or your interested topics online and improve your knowledge as per your interest. So I am very thankful from Gokhale Education Society for attempting our 1 week summer vacation online certification course.